just realized I've built walls a mile high to protect my heart, but now I'm all alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Been too scared that I unravel, brick by brick. I built these walls, now I know that I am strong. Just watch me tear them down. I'm gonna tear them down.
Guys,
Hello, I'm Rachna
and I'm Archana.
and welcome back to our channel. So first of all,
Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali!
just don't look at my sari and my blouse.
They're mismatched.
They're mismatched, but I just did not have anything to wear, so
To match with the sari.
so I somehow. So that
And
is
my
not the
OTG is Chimmy today. Chimmy. Yeah.
and that is she stole my new clothes. Okay. So yeah, so for us, Diwali is, it's a grand
Festival.
across
But
India.
we don't celebrate it that grand. Like we used to celebrate when we were in Bombay. But after that we stopped celebrating.
Because we just started moving to so many places,
Yeah.
and
Like we light diya and all that.
Yeah.
But we don't celebrate it with firecrackers. Obviously we don't like it. We don't like firecrackers because of pollution.
We stopped, actually bursting crackers when we were like in 6th standard or
Something, yeah. When we realize it's not good for you, for the environment and for people around you,
So
and
we
for
don't-
animals.
Yeah. So if we don't burst crackers, or we don't do we don't do a grand celebration. But this time we wanted to at least feel good about ourselves and have a positive vibe.
Yeah, like a
So-
festive vibe we wanted. So
So we thought we would dress up
and do at least, even if you're not doing anything grand, we'll do something and we'll make a video out of it, so that in future when we see it, we're like, okay, we did something for Diwali.
So right now,
I'm half ready. She's almost she's also half ready.
and today I wore sari by myself because mom is very busy.
Means I changed the earring because that was falling. Yeah. So what is this hairstyle?
So we are
It's the
rich.
new
Yeah, we are rich. So we just order a new earring, like
in 2 minutes.
yeah,
Shut up.
and it just came by, and she took it and she wore it. Oh, I don't know. I dropped my.
We don't know what you're doing. We'll do. We'll vlog whatever happens today.
But nothing is going to happen. It is.
Yeah,
not
if you're expecting it to be a big Diwali celebration like you see in these Karan Johar movies, that's not gonna happen. We'll do something.
we are just getting ready so that we can feel good about ourselves.
Yeah. So that's the update.
Yeah.
We'll let you all know if anything happens.
Yeah.
Mummy ना दुनिया का सारा आवाज भी करेगी. Mummy, don't make noise. Okay, love you.
So finally,
We are ready. I mean, you might not find much difference, but
I
we.
look like a teacher right now.
She does. She does.
With opened hair, and
She does.
today I wore all my earrings. Don't show my insecurities today. Like
No, they didn't see. They didn't see. They didn't see. They have already seen our insecurities. And can you see this? Sorry, it's Diwali. It's not BTS. We forgot.
Nowadays, you just turn the
Camera and you see them.
Yeah. If you haven't seen our room decor video,
It's there up here somewhere. We'll put it
so
somewhere here.
let's go and do one important work.
Yeah.
Otherwise, Papa will smash us. So this is a very important work.
we won't instead of firecrackers, he'll burst us.
Yeah. So
So-
first, let's go and do that. Let's go.
Thank you for that.
You going out taking what you need to.
Yeah, that you will bring. Bring stool. Beautiful. I'm so beautiful.
You're so beautiful.
We all are so beautiful. Yeah, I'll hand it to you. I'll have some problem climbing this because the jeans is tight. Yeah. Take my side and look.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this beautiful mala.
1 second. Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. Wow. Wait, how am I supposed to do this? No,
Is there a knot?
No, no, this is, no man, there's no. Wait, what? I'm stuck here. I mean, we both are stuck here. She's taking it out. So yeah, till then, let's admire my beauty. Yeah, very beautiful. Are you beautiful?
I'm already beautiful.
She looks beautiful.
I don't know. I feel like I look like a Bengali or something?
Yeah.
Because I don't know the blouse or...
No, not the blouse. The way you have put the sari, it looks like you're a Bengali.
So finally guys, we have figured it out. Actually this was...
You'll have to hold this.
Yeah.
To do this. So she's going to get the thread and then we'll tie it here. Here. Where are you? Oh, she's here. Somewhere I don't know. Oh, she's here.
Shoe? You see by your... What is it?
That's not my fault. Then go and do something else. Miss Rachna has decided to...
Miss Rachna will fall down if she tries this. I can't climb up. ये उतर भागना पड़ेगा वाला मुझे.
What if it... Okay, then do it.
Do it. मैं
But I should do. Then you don't have right to complete it.
Guys, now it's looking pretty.
हंसते किससे?
फोटो कैसे लेना है? It's looking pretty, right? फोटो कैसे लेना है?
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali. So guys, basically the question is how to pose. ऐसे So guys, it's evening and we wanted to take some photos.
And also
but
she has changed her sari.
I have changed my sari.
Both of us changed, but then now we were like, we'll take some photos. But then
Yeah.
we came here and then
There's no light. So there's light,
but there's no
sunlight.
sunset.
Because the sun, it sets by 5:15, 5:30, and then there's like
Before it was not like that.
before now I think so. It's been 10 days that
Yeah, because obviously when we want to click pictures, things
winter
like this.
is coming, so that's why.
Game of Thrones, winter is coming.
So that is the reason. The sun is setting early.
And we're trying to click pictures, but then we don't know how to smile. I mean,
We don't know how to the smile and how to pose.
Okay, leave pose. At least if you would have smiled, then it would have looked better. We are like, someone just comment down if you feel this. If you go through the exact same thing.
I just want one photo in 1 year.
See, I have
one good photo
I have
in
a-
1 year. Not 1 year, in an year. Matlab.
In 2 years, say in 2 years.
And that can't happen.
And
right?
we come under those breed who doesn't click pictures.
Yeah.
Because we don't know how to pose, we don't know how to smile. Is this how you smile? I remember Ishana telling me, Ishana, if you're watching this, remember how you told me that after watching me smile, you learned to smile in photos. Now look at me, I can't smile. Dude, we look like pumpkin man.
We both are pumpkins.
They could have carved us instead of pumpkin for Halloween. Oh, beauty mom is here, but we can't show her. Last time we got jailed.
She's wearing something which looks
Blue,
like...
and it looks like a Goa outfit.
So we call that...
Her Goa dress.
so
Goa vibes.
And it's really, it's floral and,
Yeah, now she'll walk like this from this side, and then she'll say, "Why do you all take me in your videos without asking my permission?" Like she'll come in between all the main parts, and then she'll yell at us. Now she's smiling there, but she'll not show her face.
She's in her own world now.
Yeah.
Now
should we
guys,
do?
as you can see, there was nothing special about our Diwali, and so it was basically a normal day. It's just that we put some rangoli, and there wasn't much like a special food or something.
And I'm very sure most of them have celebrated their Diwali in this way. Not everybody does grand celebrations.
And the thing is, because we are already busy with a lot of other things, and mom and dad, they are busy with the whole restaurant thing, so we did not have much time to prepare for Diwali or
Wow, this I'm sorry to interrupt you, but there are firecrackers.
yeah.
But we can't. It won't come on the camera. I mean the vlog or like the camera because it's daylight. So
So we'll try shooting because we are not going to light any crackers.
we have that thing. that, I don't know what's that called. You throw it and it bursts, and then you can either
and
stamp
it's environment friendly,
it's not
and
pollution free.
yeah, so we just bought that, and other than that we don't have anything. We don't burst crackers, and I
Yeah.
hope you don't burst crackers.
It's
Try
not about
to-
your fun. It's
it's
about
our environment, about climate change.
people, about animals. Just don't do it. Yeah.
And it looks like we are in the UN and giving
Which is, are you there?
are you there with us? No, I'll regret doing all this later.
Yeah,
while editing.
We are like, shit. Why did we do that? Eee, ganda.
You know, we can't watch any of our videos.
We'll make a reaction video to our reacting. Like I will react to our own videos. Like the starting
The
2-3
thing is,
videos.
I never watch our videos.
Like after uploading, I'll watch it once or twice.
Yeah.
If it's like really good, but after like a week and all,
It's like, why am I behaving like that?
But that's
Why
our
do-
natural behavior. But we have never seen it through our eyes. So when we're seeing it through our eyes.
No, when we upload it, it's okay. Okay, we know we have edited it. We saw it.
Yeah,
many
because we put a
times.
lot of effort.
Yeah,
We always put a lot of effort in it.
So it's okay. But after like a month or so, then it looks like, oh my god, what
We're
happened?
cringe. But we are. I mean, we're not cringe, but we are weird, and that's the real us. I mean, this is the Diwali vlog. What are we doing?
What are we talking about? It's a normal day for us.
Yeah.
It's just that we are dressed up.
Yeah, and
And
kind
I'm
of
happy
looking
that it's just,
presentable.
you did not show my whole outfit.
OTG? This is the OTG. Tring. This is a new
Nothing
angle.
special.
Tring, tring.
The thing is, I don't like leggings, so I wear jeans.
Hey, can we click a selfie?
Yeah.
Holy man.
So
Whoever
pretty.
she's so talented.
We don't know her because even though she's our neighbor, we don't know her.
Yeah,
but
we
she's
just came a month back.
Hmm.
Yeah. There's one more, I'll show it to you all. I mean, she's done shading and all. We have this thing.
It is called Pop Pop.
Pop, it's non-pollution.
Yeah.
What happened? Why are you laughing? What's happening there? We'll burst this. I mean, it's not bursting. It's
It's
just
not
so-
firecracker. Give it to me. See, you just have to.
throw it. Oh, that's so cool.
വീടത് കാണുന്നില്ലല്ലോ
അന്നത്തെ താഴെടാ അത് കാണിക്കുന്നില്ല. ഓ, അമ്മക്ക് തരുന്നത് വരുമ്പോ താഴെ കാണിട്ടോ. താഴെ വിട്ടാ കാണിക്കാം. ഇതാ 1 2 3. 1 2
ഇപ്പൊ താഴെ ഫോക്കസ് ചെയ്താൽ
താഴെ കാണിച്ചോ ഇപ്പോ. ഓ വെയിറ്റ്.
വെയിറ്റ്
What is it? Ah.
that was happiness.
Oh, see that thing opens. Can you see the lights?
It's pretty. तो हमारी आंटी भी अभी बना रही है रंगोली. नहीं अभी आंटी जस्ट आई है. आंटी बहुत अच्छा रंगोली बनाती है.
अच्छा.
अभी जब खत्म होगा ना तब आपको पता चल जाएगा. गिर जाती मैं अभी. That beautiful rangoli.
Guys, we are back to our normal what? Asli roop. And now my face started looking like a pumpkin again after I tied my hair. But that's
So
okay.
let me tie my hair. Yeah, I have a big face.
So guys, that's it for this video. Happy Diwali.
Yeah, happy Diwali. It was too much. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment.
Comment Happy Diwali.
Yeah.
With the yellow and
And
orange
don't
heart.
forget to subscribe and press on the bell notification
That's right next to the subscribe button.
so that you get notified every
Every time
time our new video comes up. So that's it. Bye bye. Love you. Happy Diwali.
Bye guys. So guys, we have turned on the lights and it looks beautiful, beautiful.
It's beautiful.
They were already lighting up our room,
But
but
with the
still,
lights.
it's 10 times brighter. Yeah.